welcome back to Naomi's Corner at Home. Today I will be showing you how to make a very easy, fast and quick pizza. Well, if you have kids at home, this could be a very good family time to prepare a homemade pizza. So what we're going to be using today is our electric skillet. And you don't have to preheat this. This is what I love about our cooking system, our Saladmaster cooking system. When you're baking, it can be a cold pan, okay? So, the ingredients we have here is, of course, we need pizza sauce. We're gonna spray it with a little bit of cooking oil. And then we're gonna be using a classic crust from Pillsbury. If you know how to make your own dough, the better. But what I have here is already made dough from Pillsbury. We're gonna have a mozzarella cheese, and we can also put pepperoni. But what I have here is a turkey pepperoni. You can do a lot of bologna maybe, or sausage. So what we have here is just a basic pepperoni pizza. Like what I said, we have the turkey here. Okay, so first we're gonna open this Pillsbury crust. I hope I'll do it right. Okay, and it's really available in your regular store. Whoa, okay. All right, so easy. And then I already washed my hands. So this is actually rectangular. So we're just gonna, you know what? I forgot to spray. We're just gonna spray a little bit. Okay. And then lay my dough. All right. Now, as you spread the dough on your electric skillet, you might have, extra on the side. And then another secret here, you can have a stuffed crust. You can put, a cheese on the side of the dough. You don't have to be perfect. This is great. Like what I said, you can bring in all the kids. It's gonna be a fun experience, family time. All right, then you have everything there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put some pizza sauce. Whatever sauce you have, you can also use your spaghetti sauce. So we're just gonna estimate. If you want a lot of sauce, I would strongly suggest not too much, because that's gonna make the crust really heavy. Okay. Right. Okay, and then we're gonna put a little bit of your pepperoni. I have here the turkey pepperoni. Like what I said, you can opt to use Italian sausage, whatever you have. One night, we can also make a barbecue pizza. You can replace the pizza sauce with barbecue, put some chicken. You can use the chicken from your rotisserie chicken or whatever leftover chicken that you have. Ooh, perfect. I got everything here. All right. And then what we need to do next is we're going to cover. And then we're going to bake it for 300 degrees for like 10 minutes. And then I'm going to open it and put some mozzarella cheese on top. So while we are waiting for 10 minutes for our pizza there, we're gonna start shredding our cheese. And what I have here is a block of mozzarella cheese. I strongly suggest that if you're buying some cheese, don't buy the shredded one. Get the block cheese, because it's more economical, plus it's better because the ones that are already shredded, they have a powder there. They call it cellulose, which is not healthy, okay? So I'm going to be using my Saladmaster food processor to shred my cheese, and I'm going to be using cone number 1, okay? So just enough to cover my pizza there, so whatever I have left over here, I can still keep it, and it's going to stay fresh. Okay, so I'm using slice cone number 1. Okay. All right, I think I need more. Okay, I think that would be good. All right. And then when the 10 minutes is up, we're gonna sprinkle it on top, and then we're gonna wait for another 10 minutes for 275 degrees. So now 10 minutes is up, so we're ready to check our pizza. Okay, so we're gonna open the lid now. All right, and now we're gonna sprinkle the cheese. But before we do that, since we have a lot of moist on the lid, we're just gonna wipe it off. So the pizza dough will not gonna be soggy. All right, and then sprinkle on top. Like what I said, it's gonna be a fun night for family. You don't have to order because right here in your electric skillet, you can make your own pizza. All right, we're gonna put more. Okay, and then after this, we're gonna cover, and then we're gonna reduce the heat to 275. I said a while ago 10 minutes, but we're gonna bring it up to 15 minutes. Okay, cover, and then set the temperature to 275 for 15 minutes, and then after that we're gonna check our pizza homemade. Okay, we're gonna be right back. So 15 minutes is up, so we are ready to check and see our pizza. I'm so excited. So let's see. Wow, it's done, it's ready. So wait for a few minutes to cool it down, and then we're ready to serve our delicious homemade pizza. Now we just took out our pizza from our electric skillet. Now your family is ready to enjoy our homemade pizza. Like what I said, you can customize however you want it. So please enjoy.